Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So in this review, we are taking a look at market reversal alerts EA for MT4 and MT5. I'll walk through the MQL5 Marketplace page, discuss the features highlighted by the developer, review the backtesting results if available, and then share some observations about the historical performance shown during testing. Now, starting on the Marketplace page, Market Reversal Alerts EA is developed by Lee Samson and is currently listed at a price of 99 US dollars. The version shown here is 4.4, updated on April 19th, 2022. The developer also notes that both MT4 and MT5 versions are available. This is the MT4 version that we are looking at right now, and here we have the MT5 version. As you can see, the MT5 version is currently at version 4.3, same 99 US dollars, same 10 activations. All right. So let's just focus on the MT4 and continue from there. All right. Now, looking at the description, this EA is built around the market reversal indicator of the same name. All right. And it is designed to trade market reversal alerts based on user defined conditions and filters. Now, according to the developer, the EA can automatically take trades whenever a market reversal alert is generated, while allowing traders to control how those alerts are filtered through the available settings. Okay, so as I go through the details, the developer explains that the EA draws supports rectangles as price moves in the current trend direction and then looks for sharp reversals that signal either a market structure shift or a retest of that reversal area. The focus on market structure is one of the core concepts behind how the EA is designed to operate. Now, another area that stands out is the level of customization available. The developer mentions that there are extensive settings and multiple ways to configure the EA. Traders can filter entries using the RSI, higher time frame RSI, moving averages, higher time frame moving averages, and ADR. There is also an option to only take reversal alerts when previous daily highs or lows have been swept, which the developer describes as stop hunt conditions. Now, the EA also includes several trade management features. According to the description, traders can choose to use stop losses, and the EA supports grid or basket style trading approaches if desired. In addition, there are built-in trailing stop and profit taking features that can manage exits based on money targets, ADR movements, or traditional PIP based objectives. Now, let us move into the backtesting section. But before that, let's see what is provided here. Let's see what is provided here. Okay. So based on how we have already understood the structure idea behind the expert advisor, we can see how the EA takes trades based on the market reversals alert indicator, and which is based on the market structure concept. Filter trades out based on either the moving average or on your entry time frame or the moving average of a higher time frame. All right. So basically, these are just showing, you know, these are just annotations showing, how the EA functions. Okay. just basically showing how the EA functions. All right, and then here we have the input settings of the EA. So let's head over to our strategy tester. The strategy tester, the EA seems to be taking quite a lot of time, to generate results. I have already reduced the duration that I was testing it, but still it's taking a lot of time. So I guess I'm just going to reduce it further. Let's see if we're going to be testing over the past week. Perhaps we might have something. Okay, but I'm testing the market reversals a lot. um let's try changing the symbol. All right, so I'm testing the market reversal alert EA on I tried testing it on gold. Was taking a lot of time, but I don't think gold is the problem. I think the EA is the problem. Okay, let's see. Let's try testing over the past about 2 weeks or so, and I'll just turn on the visual so we can see the EA in action. All right. We have already looked at the annotations here on the marketplace page. We've seen basically, how the EA works, but then let us see it in action, right? So as we review the historical testing activity, it is important to remember that backtesting is a way to evaluate how an EA responded to past market conditions. Historical testing can provide useful insights into behavior and consistency, but it should never be interpreted as a guarantee of future results. Okay? We ought to be able to observe how the EA reacts to reversal opportunities by looking through the trade history and the chart activity. All right. The reversal opportunities identified by its underlying market structure framework. And based on the information provided by the developer, entries are linked to reversal alerts and market structure shifts, while additional filters can be used to refine when trades are allowed. As always, I would recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Testing across multiple periods can help reveal strengths, weaknesses, and how different settings can influence the overall historical analysis. All right. So, when evaluating the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that results can vary depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, market conditions, and user optimization choices. Okay, different configurations may produce different outcomes, but overall, the market reversal alert EA for MT4 and MT5 offers a configurable approach centered around market structure reversals, extensive entry filtering options, and flexible trade management tools. As always, I recommend thoroughly testing and optimizing the EA yourself before considering any live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.